talk about the Everest, the all new Ford Everest. My thoughts. It is a really pretty bike. It can even be one of the most beautiful full-size SUV in Indian market with a latitude chassis that will be really affordable and give a run to Fortune. Fortune. As we already know, the BS4 version of the Everest is not released here, but हम सभी देख ही रखा है ऑटो कार इंडिया वीडियो around 5 to 10 days ago for the same Everest PS4 version, the bi-spec version, sorry bi-spec, the bi-turbo version, bi-turbo 2 liter with a beautiful body. The size, bro, the size is so immense, so big. Front muscular, side quite classic, plain, not too many curves, a little bit boxy design, headlights split headlights, one box up, one box down, and it's quite intense and will give that Fortuner Legender. Legender? No. Yes, it's a Legender. It will give this Legender a run for the money. Because they have the side notches, the plain front, white hand, beautiful, but still will give that if priced correctly. Because you already know India is how should I put it? A tax parasite. It's the chocolate of everything. Indian taxation system is a parasite that so which you have a beautiful vehicle, get ready to be heavily taxed. Heavily taxed. I mean heavily taxed. If they are building it in their Chennai plant, it will be really good. It will be priced really aggressively against the Fortuner. But if they think that they are not going to make a Fortuner or the Everest, so they are not going to make the Everest anymore in the Chennai plant, then definitely we might be facing some difficulties there, as if we are a CPU unit or we will be using it as it's not CPU unit or a separate detail input. According to that, but in recent years, people have done things that are not uncommon. देखो, just like how this Mercedes is having the side fenders, front and rear fenders, that arch, almost similarly, the arches are there in the Everest. I'm not that stop calling it the Indigo, I should call this the Everest. That is built for the Everest. If Ford also starts like Royal Enfield, we will be covering all the parts of India now. We have done Himalayans, Goa with the Goan, then there will be the Kenyan, that Kenya is the good car market. Cancelling Adani plants, Adani projects for the end, celebrating about brother Kenya. Get a chill pill and let's now have a fuel check. Okay, now we are done with the fuel. देखो दो तरीके हैं. There are two ways to fill up your tank. Either you go like 500, 600, 510 or the 9 liter wise. Now I have done 8 liters of fuel. Let's see till where, how much time does it take to reach reserve, and that's how I calculate. Okay, reserve to reserve, I'll be filling up. It's not that accurate, but oh my god, how should I put? Uh, for the last few days, I'll be visiting Smalka, Panipat. I've been going that side. This fucker has become a splendor. It's giving around 40 to 48 kilometers per liter. Even though sometimes I'm really aggressive on the throttle, like doing overtakes, gear down. This is a beautiful engine. Just needs another tall gear for cruising. It's a beautiful engine. Beautiful, beautiful engine. Has so much character, like it's a one and all bike. I think of doing off-road, I can go in it. I think of doing anything I can do with it. You're thinking of going on long rides, it's your bike. You're thinking of off-roading, it will do that also. You're thinking of city commutes, it will do that also. You're thinking about some sweet ass nonsense of fast switchbacks on a mountain road, or even accident to drunk it. It will do it all. It's a beautiful, beautiful engine. And special, the suspension. That's really good. If you don't know, it's really good. Like, I have this extra experience I never see that just gives it so much better feel. But we all know the new classic has missed that beautiful soft suspension in the driver's seat. Oh shit, why did I take this route? Why did I take this route? Why did I take this route? It's going to be heavy traffic. I should have taken the outer peripheral road. Told you that was such a big bump and it just glided over it. It's a beautiful bike, beautiful machine. It's a beautiful machine. And I have this complaint with fuel that I don't know why if I'm filling up with Hindustan or Bharat Petroleum, this gives me a classic 350 gives me a really good mileage. It's a 2019 model, but gives really good mileage. But when I'm filling it with Indian oil, suddenly the mileage drops, or is it because of the Indian oil fuel station that I select near me that gets that good? How can that? How can a fuel pump station mix so much that actually they can data reserves? They, such a beautiful bike. Okay, that's a wonderful CV unit reliable cars and the newer chips. Oh boy, many a times highways are a good place to spot vehicles. But it's a beautiful car. It's a really good car. Hatchback. Features, comfort, although it has a similar engine, same with same types, but it has several upgrades with United Punch. course, we ended up shooting all the sales under the Tiago and everything else. It's quite good, bit of good. It's actually good. Same as what you ever commented. It's also with the same ICNG, same suspension, just a little raised for a different platform. Wanting points are just different for suspension. It's quite a good car, especially with that IC. I love that IC. It's such a simple, but such a simple idea. Just if you are having a good cylinder, just break it into few parts and put it under. Such a simple solution, but what a brilliant way of execution. It's such a simple solution. Like we have an answer. It's there in front of you guys, but still, so many car manufacturers are blind and can't see. I'm talking about market. They were the first ones to jump in the game with the CNG, and still are the leading sellers of CNG, and they provide such a beautiful mileage in CNG cars. 35, 35 with the new scenario. Not new, it's quite old, but still 35. Really amazing, really amazing. But still, Tiago and Punch, they have not compromised with performance, but still are giving such a beautiful mileage. Mainly, the thing is that with CNG, it speeds up your vehicle. Once you go CNG, your vehicle life reduces so much. Like under a lakh of kilometers, 1 lakh kilometers, under 1 lakh kilometers, it starts eating up your vehicle. It reduces power, burning of clutch, heating up of transmission, so many things wrong with one CNG car. Matter of fact, if you never switch to CNG or you buy a car that's always runs on petrol, it will probably have a much longer life than CNG. Best example, bro. See the number of breakdowns. Okay, now we are in Delhi. In Delhi they have the old CNG buses. Okay, and then roadways, Haryana roadways, they have that beautiful diesel engines. These diesel engines are riding state to state in such a beautiful high speed and not luxury, but still in a quite reliable way. Low maintenance, just fill up the diesel and keep running. Low maintenance, less breakdown. Even in summers, they don't care whatever happens. In fact, now see the JBM buses, JBM CNG buses, specific, right? Specific. JBM CNG buses. Either you will be seeing their rear lid open for better airflow, or you will see that these buses are broken down somewhere in the road. Then the new fleet electric buses are coming for the rescue. Brother, I'll save you, That doesn't work, right? People, not beautiful, it's dumbass ugly. It's really ugly. It's an ugly car, but it was marketed so good. For the year when it was launched, it was so good. Oh my god, is that a news Quora? You haven't even put the sticker, bro. You still have the sticker. Let's see. But I have not this when I followed one of my friends, new Himalayan, for just appreciating how it is. It's such an incredibly well-mannered bike, bro. It's such an incredible bike. The कैसे, it's a sweet spot of everything. Off-road, on-road, it's like a Himalayan, but way better. Because we already know the Himalayan had a great suspension off-road, but on-road it was sluggish a bit, and then on-road it was sluggish, and really highway performance. Not sluggish in the way you can't just overthrow anybody in traffic, but it was sluggish in highways when you can't even think of overtaking somebody. So many thoughts, so many thoughts. Why we are having so many thoughts? That's a living hazard. The new Scorpion, a living hazard on road. Wow. Nobody knows when its front axle will break or when it will start malfunctioning, and even worse. More than financial pressure, the mental pressure to the person who is buying it. Mahindra, brother, you have done such a beautiful job with the new VE. Oh my God! Have you seen the VE? VE6. Brother, that's a beautiful machine. Can drift. Cost around 18-19 lakhs. I think so. That's what they said. But we'll be seeing more of it in the new Auto Expo 2024, which is on 17 to 2020. Sorry, 22. Yes, January 17 to 2020. 22. 17 January 17 to 22. We'll be seeing more of it. I hope, brother, they should definitely should, because it's such an incredible electric car. Always we are thinking electric cars are more like, okay, a secondary thought of an already existing IC car. Even though Tata has tried to change the approach with the curve by launching the electric first and then launching an IC version later on, but still, when there are two different alterations of the same bike or of the same vehicle, nobody will be considering it as a purely electric car. Curve has now faced a new rival. The rival is none other than the beautiful V6. It's so beautiful, so beautiful. Can't say the same thing about the XEV9. Good, but I don't know why it gives me such a huge resemblance to the XUV7. Many places I feel like it's just a copy paste. I don't know why. That gives me that feeling. But the PE with the front scoop, it's like, oh my God, the front scoop is so beautiful. Never seen in a budget-friendly car. I'm saying it's budget-friendly, but we all know 20 lakhs is a steep slope for most of us. We can at least think of a car. It's cheap if it's near about 6 to 8 lakhs. It's a good cheap car. But if it crosses that 10 lakhs wala margin, comes to a moderate expensive car. And after that it comes too expensive. When it reaches around the 20 lakhs margin, it becomes an expensive car. But there are also many beautiful things. I believe there are beautiful things. PE6, the PE6. I'll give one comment for the Creta section. Creta, Alcazar, Venue. It's just the same pack of French fries, small, medium, large. Can't find a difference. It's medium French fries, small French fries, and a large French fries. Which one would you prefer? Pick any. It tastes the same. It rides the same. This is the medium pack, and people love this. I don't know why. It's. I don't know why. I know why people love it. The suspension, the double wishbone suspension, and brother and sister together. I don't know which one is brother, male or female. Let's consider both as females. They are bitches. Such similarities. See, just look at them. So much similar. So much similar. Design wise, so much similar. So much similar. But Seltos looks better. Much better. There are so many good sedans. How many are there? I think I can count on it. City, Ciaz, Varcheslavia, same thing. Varna. New Varna. It's missing something, bro. The new Varna is missing something. The front hood is not that right. I think so it all comes to the front hood. Slanting or it's not straight enough. Something is wrong with the front end, bro. See, the Varna is not that appealing. But the same quirky design is with the I'm forgetting the name, bro. Elantra. I get the Elantra. The new Elantra looks so good. So good. The new Varna, it's missing that sass. It has the capacity to the new quirky design of the Varna. It has the capacity to look good like the Elantra, but somehow the Hyundai people are unable to grab that. Elantra is a different segment car. It will be like the same case with R5 when you have R1, R6 and then you copy paste the same design to R15 and it works when you have a larger segment car or a bike with a higher cc engine, and that works so well. It looks so beautiful. Then you can definitely steal a bit and give it to the segment. Do you love that? हाँ बट हाँ वो है शो ऑफ वाले लोग को लगेगा फिर कि नहीं ब्रो अपना तो नहीं चलेगा ना, माय व्हीकल शुड लुक स्पेशल. वे तो कुछ बोलते हैं can't say. So this was the main reason of me making this channel. When I'm driving, I have so many thoughts about so many vehicles, and I went on office trip. We went to Chakrata, 300 kilometers. For 300 kilometers, I and my CEO, we were just talking about cars. 300 kilometers, almost 6 to 7 hours, without music, just cars. So much interesting topic it is. Vehicles, automobile. It's such a beautiful topic. I love this so much. What can I say? That's why this is the main reason for me. When I'm motovlogging, it's not even a motovlog. When I'm riding, I have so many thoughts, and this is the only place that I can put my thoughts in. So, I love this. I'll start it. Let's see how things goes. Okay, now let's check it out. Okay.